Hey guys, we're back again with another World of Warships video. Got Thomas with me right now. They know, I think. Okay, I'm just getting a few some equipment on her now.
My mom's gonna do that too. Cause
Oh, I don't even have enough credits.
I almost have a million.
Million? Well, I spent all mine right now. What does this do? Maybe I should sell this. Oh, I only got half the price. I have to get about... Wait guys, yeah, So last time I had the other carrier. Well, this time guys, I got this carrier. I'll be battling with this. And my New York I have also this. I'm waiting for World of Warships to release some battleships on the Blitz. I'd really like some battleships. Oh wait, never mind. They have German battleships.
They do?
Yeah, I just happened to look on, and they have German battleships.
Oh, why is that? Wait, why isn't the Bismarck at tier 10?
It is.
No, it's not. It's tier 7 for me.
Oh, I thought you said, why isn't the Bismarck in there? I'm like, it is.
That's a big ship. Oh my goodness.
Well, guys, let's just take a look at some of these new German battleships.
Dude, look at the tier 10 Giraffes. The thing is Bismarck.
Oh my god.
Dude, I think these are like the battleships that they actually didn't even make because they were going to make them.
420 millimeter guns. Holy cow. Wait, what's that in inches? Well,
wait,
what does the Bismarck have?
400 inches? 400 inch guns.
No, 400 millimeters. What does the Bismarck have for guns? What's its millimeter? Doesn't even say.
I think the Bismarck has like some.
Yeah, because I watched the show. There was 4 different types of ships that look like each other. The first one I'm pretty sure would be. Where is it?
So yeah, do you want to like
the Brian, the tier 6 one is the start because they had 4 different types of those battleship looking ones.
Dude, do you just want to like start trying to get those?
I'm already at tier 2. So yeah, I'm gonna look through them quick.
You're gonna do what?
What's the tier 5? Yeah, the tier 5 is. That's like the That's actually pretty weak because that's about South Carolina size. I'll work on that at a different time. Let's work on our American stuff.
I have the tier 2.
Oh, you do already?
Yeah.
Alright, let's battle with the higher tiers. If you guys want to watch us battle with lower tiers, or if you guys just want to tell us or just get a higher tier, then battle, or then make videos of it, and then you guys just comment down below what you guys want us to do, or if you want us to do both or something like that. But
come on, let's go. I want to battle.
Oh, you're in battle already? Wait, invite me. I have my carrier ready.
I invited you.
Do it again.
I can't, because it said you're invited, and every time I click it...
Leave yours. Let me invite you.
It says you're in battle. Oh yeah, because you're in one. Invite me!
I did.
Well, it didn't come up. Dad, girls, no, invite you.
No, you do it. Yep, I got it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yay! Took long enough. Your carrier. I'm a Clemson. We have Eva Clemson. Jasper, just back up into the corner. Jasper, back up into the corner.
I am. Not my mom.
Jasper.
You're not my mom.
I am your mom. You're gonna deal with it. Yeah, you have in this game. You have unlimited ammo, so I could shoot this guy forever. Yeah. There's my gun.
I'm gonna get bombed.
Good for you. Wait. You guys, we're gonna do some tutorials on how to properly play World of Warships.
With aircraft carriers. First of all, you support your ships. You don't straight up bomb another carrier.
When your enemy aircraft carrier bombs your carrier, you go like this. You hit, okay, hold on. You hit this trophy button. Then you hit click their carrier. You go report. You go unskilled player. Because that's just not nice.
Did you do that really, Tom? Did you actually do it?
Yeah, so now, remember this is World of Warships Tutorials episode 1 of 5,000, so yeah. Where the heck are these people? Oh, there's one. I want to go sink their carrier, they didn't even see it. They didn't even see me, I'm an invisible people.
That's the destroyer's job, not the enemy carrier's job.
Yeah.
Or not my job to sink the enemy carrier. Well, I could do it.
But you're not a noob. Are you a noob?
No. If I was, I'd still be back at tier 2. Don't count my German Navy. I don't work on that whatsoever.
Yeah, I was about to say, your German Navy is at tier 2. I feel like I'm lagging out.
I'm still getting bombed. Holy crap.
You want me to sink them for you?
Yes, please, sink them. Oh god, you're all, there's a cruiser coming to you. I have a destroyer also working its way around.
He's actually going for the battleship right there. So I'm an invisible should he goes, because I'm not even detected. Dude, I'm not even detected yet. Oh, now I'm detected. Ding! Torpedo? Where? Oh, yeah. I got it, torpedo.
I'm making my dive bombers constantly just keep going back. Oh, crap. I keep missing. Hey, every time I do that, it's so hard to do this because this thing doesn't have like a trick or like a tracking thing like dive bombers do. They don't have tracking. Also, the dive bombers here are like terrible. They're fast but terrible.
Please don't shoot me, you Wyoming. I'm an innocent big boy.
No,
leave me alone.
I have barely gotten a single hit using my dive bombers.
This thing, he can't even hit me. Oops. As soon as I said he can't even hit me, he hit me a bunch.
Yeah, I'm halfway dead, so.
I am basically dead.
Oh, maybe that's my problem. I have a.
Hi, buddy.
Enemy aircraft incoming. Attack target.
I got a good torpedo run this time.
We're under attack. Poultry, we're taking on water.
How am I still alive?
I'm dead.
How are you dead?
I was surrounded by a destroyer and a cruiser. I almost killed both.
Almost.
Almost. I haven't seen any German battleships out yet.
Well, cause I updated this thing this morning, so they literally came out this morning.
Yeah, I should have checked that this morning. I'm gonna see anything. I wonder if the British has more carriers finally.
Oh yeah, dude, cause they had actually quite a lot of carriers. I wonder if it. Oh yeah, they definitely already do have carriers. I don't know why. I don't even know why.
Nope, the British have. You'd think they'd actually add some stuff to British because they had a massive navy, but no.
Dude, they have the biggest navy.
The Germans. Well, I can see that.
Have more.
The Bismarck.
I didn't even know the Germans had that much. Yeah, we're gonna win.
I didn't know they had this many battleships either. It's probably why it's so hard. I mean, I can see the Bismarck, but that's it. I mean, the other ships. Holy crap! Yeah, because I know they had 4 different sizes, or no, 4 or 5 different sizes of like those types of ships, and these things were the biggest.
Oh, like the biggest I think was like the It was like the HQ something. I don't know. Or like it was like, but it was called like the Z plan to like make all these ships too.
Yeah, Z plan.
Or like Operation Z something.
Fine.
Oh, okay.
And we'll do a New York battle next. Cause I think I need to stop doing a few carrier battles for a little bit.
Wait, let's just do New York battle right now. We can work on questions later.
Oh, I need cancels. Oh yeah, we'll work on the German battleships.
Like, we'll probably work on them off camera a little bit.
Yeah. And we'll try to get like tier 4s, and then we'll come back on camera, or then we'll use them once we get like tier 4s.
You're like tier 4, like an almost tier 5. I didn't even really look at what ships they had, or like what they had. After.
We have a tier 5 Japanese battle, or not a battleship, but carrier, and they have an American.
I wasn't talking about that, like, what the, never mind, I forgot what I was talking about.
Not a surprise.
Or, like the Germans, like, I didn't really look, like, what battleships they had, like, that were under tier, like, 7. No, attack. Negative.
Enemy aircraft incoming.
Negative.
But I bet me and you will. How did I not kill a plane that time?
The ship is on fire.
You got 2 fire. Oh, you got 1.
Yep, got one.
Enemy aircraft incoming.
You're gonna get torpedoed.
I got another one. I'm probably gonna get another one here. Yep, got another one. Oh, why am I the target?
Because you're a tank. Blitz-Jasper tank.
Hey, at least it's not a noob like you say.
Enemy torpedo spotted.
At least it's targeting, like, the battleships instead of...
I'm gonna get hit by 2 torpedoes. And never mind, I only got 1. Do you think they updated the Nicholas? The superstructure looks different.
I don't know. It's the same to me. Well, actually, I haven't even looked at it.
I never really paid attention to it. The only time I really faced it, this side died so quickly of it. Or it ran from me. I think it was firing quickly.
Oh, like that ship isn't dead yet.
Target penetrated.
You guys just saw what I.
German.
You guys just saw.
Oh, German premium, I believe that it is. Oh, 2 German battleships. I believe they're, yeah, battleships.
Oh shoot!
I was reloading.
We hit the enemy.
What?
I was reloading.
No, I was saying.
Oh,
I was saying.
that you're dead
saying
talking
shoot.
to me.
I was saying shoot because my bullets were flying through the air, and then the ship I was about to kill died.
I died.
Hey. Speaking of death, you died.
Shut up.
You go backwards. I can kill this much.
That camouflage looks so weird.
It looks beautiful because you can't see me at all. Stupid Nicholas, leave me alone.
This Japanese
That's
carrier
right.
looks so weird. I mean, what are the extra... It's just confusing looking.
I need to buy a lot of torpedoes here. Well, there goes 6 torpedo, or I was just got hit by like 6 torpedoes there.
Thomas, use your secondaries.
He's like,
Never mind, you're dead.
what the fuck? For some reason I couldn't shoot, like, I don't know why, but I don't think it was like catching on. I don't even know.
Blah, blah, blah.
What? Let's just exit battle. Okay, well, that's gonna wrap this video up. So I'll see you guys later, and make sure to subscribe and comment down below what you guys would like to see in future episodes. Make sure to check out me and Jasper's perspective on things. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later.